Have you ever looked at the ingredients in your skincare products and wondered what half of them even mean? The truth is, many of us are searching for ways to enhance our skin's natural beauty without relying on chemical-laden products. In this video, we'll explore the world of natural skincare, focusing on homemade face masks and exfoliators that you can easily create with ingredients you likely already have in your kitchen. From nourishing your skin to rejuvenating your complexion, natural ingredients can work wonders. Stay tuned as we reveal some amazing recipes and tips for glowing skin. 1. Why choose natural ingredients? Natural ingredients are often gentler on the skin and free from harsh chemicals and synthetic fragrances. Many commercial skincare products can contain ingredients that irritate the skin, disrupt hormones, or lead to other health issues. By opting for natural alternatives, you not only nurture your skin but also reduce your exposure to potentially harmful substances. 2. Understanding your skin type. Before diving into the recipes, it's crucial to understand your skin type, whether it's oily, dry, sensitive, or combination. This knowledge will help you choose the right ingredients for your homemade masks and exfoliators. For instance, if you have dry skin, look for moisturizing ingredients like honey or avocado. For oily skin, consider clay or lemon juice to help control oil and unclog pores. 3. Homemade face masks. Here are some simple yet effective recipes for homemade face masks using natural ingredients. Honey and yogurt mask. Mix equal parts of honey and yogurt for a hydrating and soothing mask. Apply it to your face, leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes, then rinse off with warm water. This mask is perfect for all skin types. Avocado and oatmeal mask. Mash half an avocado and combine it with 2 tablespoons of oatmeal. This mask provides deep hydration and exfoliation. Leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes before rinsing off. Banana and turmeric mask. Mash 1 ripe banana and mix in a teaspoon of turmeric. This mask brightens the skin and helps with acne. Apply it for 10 to 15 minutes, then rinse thoroughly. 4. Natural exfoliators. Exfoliating your skin is essential for removing dead skin cells and promoting cell turnover. Here are a few natural exfoliating recipes. Brown sugar and olive oil scrub. Combine 1 cup of brown sugar with half a cup of olive oil to create a nourishing scrub. Gently massage it onto your skin in circular motions, then rinse off. This scrub is excellent for both your face and body. Coffee grounds and coconut oil scrub. Mix used coffee grounds with melted coconut oil to create a refreshing body scrub. The caffeine in coffee can help reduce the appearance of cellulite and invigorate your skin. Oatmeal and honey scrub. Blend 1 cup of oatmeal with a few tablespoons of honey to make a gentle scrub. This is ideal for sensitive skin, as oatmeal soothes and hydrates. 5. How to incorporate these treatments into your routine. To see the best results, incorporate these homemade masks and scrubs into your skincare routine. Aim to use a mask once a week and an exfoliator 1 to 2 times a week, depending on your skin type. Always follow up with a moisturizer to lock in hydration and keep your skin looking its best. 6. Storing your natural skincare products. If you make a larger batch of any of these recipes, be sure to store them properly. Use airtight containers and refrigerate any masks or scrubs that contain perishable ingredients. Most homemade products will last about a week in the fridge, so be mindful of expiration dates. 7. DIY tips for best results. Patch test. Always do a patch test before trying a new ingredient on your skin to ensure you don't have an allergic reaction. Be consistent. Like any skincare routine, consistency is key. Stick to your natural skincare regimen to see long-term benefits. Hydration and nutrition. Don't forget that your skin's health starts from within. Drink plenty of water and eat a balanced diet rich in vitamins and minerals for glowing skin. Natural skincare is not only beneficial for your skin, but also a fun and creative way to take care of yourself. By using homemade masks and exfoliators, you can enjoy radiant skin while avoiding harsh chemicals. If you enjoyed these recipes and tips, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more natural skincare advice. Share your favorite homemade skincare recipes in the comments below, and let's embark on this beautiful journey towards healthier skin together.